Question 2, part 1. We're going to ask a user for 15 numbers, and our computer program will sum all of those numbers and display the result. So we're definitely going to need a for loop. And this loop is going to iterate or repeat 15 times. Now we need to decide what we're going to do inside the for loop. First, we're going to ask the user to enter a number. We're then going to get that number into a variable from the keyboard. Well, I've already set up a keyboard variable, a scanner variable, but let's also set up another integer variable to grab that number from the keyboard. Hopefully you're familiar with this way of getting numbers from the keyboard. So my num is going to be equal to kbin.nextInt. So when we get a value, my num, from the keyboard, we want to add it to the current value of the sum. So let's also create a variable to store the sum of all the numbers, and at the beginning of the program we're going to assign it the value 0. Inside the for loop, let's update the value of sum. So sum will become equal to the current value of sum, and at the start of the program that's 0, plus the number that we're getting from the keyboard, which is my num. And this process will repeat 15 times. And at the end of the for loop, here's the end of the for loop, let's display the result. The sum of all of the numbers is sum. Now for a quick test, let's just change this number 15 to 5. And if it works for 5 numbers, we should be confident that it will work for 15 numbers. So please enter a number 1. 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 The sum of all the numbers is 5. And that's it.